Okay, so just want to do a quick room tour of our Port Orleans French Quarter room 1106 on the ground floor. It was myself, my wife and my toddler, so we're leaving after 2 weeks, so you will have to forgive the mess. There's the aircon unit there. They had a lot of space down here. We had for shoes and toys. Big sofa. This beautiful girl does not come with it, unfortunately for you. 2 good sized beds. Are they queens? They say queens, but they're massive. Yeah, we could definitely fit myself and my wife in there. I am not a small guy by any stretch. Very comfortable, kind of medium firm maybe. Yeah. Some storage here. My son really loved the Disney Alexa thing. So under here is where your suitcases go. So just for reference, these are 2 kind of full-size suitcases with 2 weeks worth of stuff in, and they went under there easily. There's some hanging space. Got some lights there. Obviously you've got these kind of reading lights that come out. They are pretty cool. And then there's your operation for the fan. TV was really cool. It had you can log on to your Disney Plus. It had a lot of Disney channels on, fireworks stuff, helpful information. On here, I've only just realised, you can order towels and you can play games, all kinds of stuff. So it's been really fun. And also you've got your phone there. Shelving space, so that's quite a short one. Again, there's 3 of us, and as usual we overpacked, and that's the same that side. And then there is another deep shelf there with some storage there. Again, the water nappies don't come with it. I've kept the fridge, so again, so they're very cool. So I've kept it full seat so that you can see you can put loads in here. So you know, if you can get like Uber Eats or Garden Grocery or whatever, really packs a lot in. It is a drinks cooler, not a fridge. It's still to kind of British standards in terms of a fridge temperature, so that's fine with us. This wasn't, I was hoping it was, but it's like more like a stand thing as opposed to a box. It doesn't open. You've got your storage here. The storage there, some good storage here. That's just stuff that we're leaving. The hairdryer, steam iron. You can get things. That's how the cleaning works there. Hairdryer. This didn't come off, I think it's a vent, I'm not too sure. Then you had your safe, kind of standard 4-digit safe. There seems to be something here. The instructions there, that'll be open when you arrive. Here's your hangers. We're looking at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, about 20, 18 hangers maybe. Some space there. And then your spare pillow and blanket up here with the full length mirror there. Hello. His and hers sinks. Hand soap. Hand lotion came with it. They were really great. Bless you. Kind of like standard American toilet with the water kind of half full that we don't really have in Britain. Lots of towels, to be fair, and they were replenished every 2 days. The cleaning came every other day. The again, this was replenished as required. It is locked obviously now, and then the kind of standard bath and shower there. It's nice temperature, decent pressure. Cleaning was good. They didn't hoover the floor a lot, so You got your coffee machine there. American plugs. What they have got now is the USB-B and the USB-C here, here, and here as well. So not as much need for the American plugs and things these days. So yeah, the aircon went to 20 degrees C. You can override it if there's some things online for that. We didn't, but you can if you need to. All in all, good room, lovely resort, busier than it used to be, with the beignets and stuff. But would we stay here again? Yes.
Yeah.
Thoughts?
No, yeah, I really like it. We've stayed here before. The pros, I think, the last time are maybe not as pro.
Yeah, the boat was very busy now.
Yeah, like
on the route quick service.
We went on the boat, and the buses were like honestly almost dead. But now it just seems a bit busier.
Yeah, but it's fine. So yeah, good room, good place to stay.
Yeah.
Team Jones, thumbs up.